In this video, I'm going to cover what I think about Forex live streaming and if I agree with it and my opinion on it. I do live stream pre-session, so it's not going to be biased. It is going to be an honest opinion of what I think about live streaming. So that being said, let's get straight into it. Welcome back, guys. Harry here, known as Tradesharpe. And in this video, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of what I think of live streaming and why I do my live streams in a certain way, so you guys can understand my point behind it. And when you're watching my live streams, you can benefit the most of it, right? So we do live stream during the week, so you can be sure to join that. That is pre-London session live streams, what we do. And the first thing I'm going to come out and say is I'm going to talk about what I think the problem with live streaming is and how I designed to solve that problem, essentially. So the first problem with live streaming, I think, first of all, live streaming is a great addition to the Forex industry. It definitely given a lot of clarity to traders, but that's what it's done the best, is giving clarity and given a thought process that is going to be able to help traders progress. But the other problem is that what you find is that people just hop on streams to find a trade and they lack to build confidence, because you will build clarity watching a live stream, but that clarity, if you do stick to it and be very consistent, can exchange to confidence. But for the majority, they lack confidence because they're just waiting for validation from the streamer to say, okay, we want to take a position XYZ, blah, blah, blah. And this will hinder your trading long term very, very badly. And confidence in trading, I would say, is the uttermost important skill in terms of being able to find your idea and execute on your idea, because without confidence, you're going to really fail. And you have to have confidence in your ability, confidence to take a trade, confidence when to manage the trade, and that is all comes down to emotions. So if live streams are not building that for you, it's going to be an issue, and that is why I decided to do the streams pre-session. Now, the second problem, which I see is a very common problem on live streams, is that most live streamers take their biggest trades off stream. You will see that most traders take their biggest trades off stream. Why is that? Because a big trade demands A, first of all, a lot of time, B, more concentration, and C, it will demand something or maybe some concepts that really can't be explained on stream. Good people will explain what they did later on, maybe to their members or whoever will explain what happened, but you can't be actively on stream with chat, people looking at you, people might be taking positions, and that might hinder or affect basically your current trade. And when you're taking a big trade, you need to have full concentration, and also there's some things that you really just can't explain in the spot because it's more advanced concepts. So on stream, you see a basic strategy being formed. Most strategy being formed is basically buys above here, sells below here. That is a very common strategy you see on stream, with people running wider stops, basically catching a trend. It is a profitable strategy and does work, but it's not maximizing the potential, because that's what you have to do on stream. So that kind of hinders people, and I think that's a small limitation, but I don't see that as a disadvantage. That's just something I think people should note. So to cap this video off, nice short video here. What I have done is that I agree with people live streaming, but for me, in my day, it does not fit my day. I have other things I need to do, and during London session, I want to concentrate on my trades. But at the same time, you guys have been asking for live streams, so I started live streaming and I've done pre-session. The idea of pre-session is we come to the charts, we make a plan, I discuss my plan, discuss my ideas, and I have full attention to answer your guys' questions. If we get a trade on stream, I will take it happily. But the idea is just before the session, we shut down the stream. You guys have the plan, you know the idea. If you have any confusion, dropping messages in the group, we will reply. And then after that, we execute on the trade. And the idea is for you guys to build confidence to take these trades that we discuss. And at the same time, that allows me to be able to allocate time to live stream, and at the same time manage my other tasks, as such as concentrating on my own trades. And during those times, I'm a little bit busy and can't 100% be concentrated on a live stream. So apart from that, you guys are wondering, okay, well, he won't show his trades. Well, no, the idea is that when I take those trades that I discuss on stream, I will post it. I'll post where I took the trade. We'll post the terminal to make sure that I am also taking the trades, and you guys can see for educational purposes. That's the point of that, to make sure that you guys can also see, and also see where I entered compared to you, because you might have entered a little bit later, a little bit earlier, and you can see my entry compared to yours. And this is how you're going to greatly improve, and it fits everyone. So let me know if you're enjoying the streams. Let me know if you agree with it. Just a short video to discuss about what I think about live streaming and what I'm doing with my own personal stream. A little bit different from the majority. Let me know if you agree with it and if you're enjoying the streams. And with that being said, take care, trade sharp, and until next time, peace.